with the solution, how long would you stick with the new solution?
How long would you stick with it?
Yeah, like say you're just introducing it to the child and it's not going well. Do you continue or do you switch?
That's a good question. For a while, what would that mean? Weeks and months? Remember though, the repetition. I call, in behavior, I have something what I call the establishment period. It's picture when you set cement, it's wet and tacky, and I think you have to wait 48 hours till it dries before you can walk on it. Same thing with behavior, it's 4 to 6 weeks before it's set in stone. If you're doing this and you're putting in the solutions and you're working with the child and all of that type of thing, and 2-3 months go by and you haven't seen any progress, you're either doing it wrong, you're missing a piece, or there's something else going on inside that child's brain. Likely a diagnosis, we have to go down the medical route. If you see an ounce of progress though, you know you're on the right path. You keep going, and that's repetition, repetition, repetition. Does that make sense? That's a very good question. Yeah. How long do you give in? You also have to step back and observe. So the next time the solution is, use your words. He may not know what those words are. So you have to be given the words, you have to expand or just give a little bit more. So it really depends, but for the most part, as long as you're seeing progress, it's kind of the general gist of it in terms of this is working.